So my name's Angelina and I'm studying business management. I'm a degree apprentice at Airbus, going into my second year. I'm studying the degree because it came as a bundle, sort of with the career and also the university. I've always been interested in business management, so that was always something that I wanted to study anyway. So it's helped me in my career so far, as it's helped me develop confidence, especially with presenting. That was always something I struggled with, so doing this career and also studying business management has improved my presentation skills, which I can take for the future. So we've learned about Gibbs reflective cycle. That was one of our last questions that we always did, and that's really helped me reflect on end of placements and any work that I do. It really helps me dive deeper into my thoughts and in order to reflect, and then also learn about Ishikawa's 5 whys. That's something that we learn about in Opsman, and it's something that we use in our workplace. I've enjoyed sort of the relationships that you build and all the support that you get. So you get a lot of support from the lecturers, and also you develop a lot of relationships within your classmates, and yeah, it's a very supportive network which really helps. I sort of hope to progress through the company within Airbus and take what I've learned from the college with my business management and just continue to go up the ranks. The advice I'd give to future learners is just to kind of build your relationships as much as you can, networking, and just take every opportunity possible, as it's a very fun